Yo guys, this is Chris and today I am bringing you a before you buy this Wayfair vanity that I got for under $200. I think it was like $170. It's on sale now. So this is called the Este vanity with mirror. So I bought it off the Wayfair site. I don't like Wayfair that much. It's always a struggle. I feel like it's worse than IKEA to build things. So if you want to know what I think about this vanity and how hectic it was to build, keep on watching because it took me 3 hours. 3 hours and a broken hand. No, not a broken hand, I was exaggerating. Or was I? Alright guys, so this is the vanity that I just got. FedEx said it was delivered and then I checked and it wasn't delivered until like 30 minutes later. I don't know why FedEx always does that. The box really smells. So I'm going to open this up and I don't know if should I sanitize this? Let's get this vanity opening thing ready. So I took off that huge bag. Oh, it was already like open. Like I don't even need to use scissors for this. All right, let's do this. Look at how orderly they did this. I don't know if I have enough space. Okay, this must be all the nails. Maybe the instructions. I cannot find the instructions. Check out the mirror. The mirror is kind of big, bigger than I thought. I heard in the reviews that this is going to take a long time. Alright, I'm starting to assemble it over there. I'm sweating, but I'm almost there. I'm almost there. 3 hours later, and it is all done. My hands are in so much pain. I'm not sure if you can tell, but they're so red. Everything hurts. Yes, Felix. Thank you for your support, but it's done. Here it is. This ended up being a little crooked, but it's not too bad. You know, I did the best that I could, but it took forever, and some of the instructions were very confusing, but it's done. Tomorrow what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my vanity and switch it over and just start putting stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next step. I finished building my vanity yesterday, which took 3 hours long, and I measured it and I measured this old vanity and they're exactly the same measurements, which is a blessing. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to clean this up, figure this out. I have such a mess. Oh my god, look at the mess I have. I found makeup brushes that I've not seen in forever. So this is it. New, old, new, old. Oh, the adventure of putting this downstairs in the trash. I had to take it apart and unscrew everything now. Now I'm gonna just throw this in the trash. This is taking forever. This is the current situation. Right now, I vacuumed and mopped the corner. And there's still, I am surprised how many treasures I found hidden underneath there. I have to figure this wall out, but I'm just gonna throw in the vanity and see how it comes out. It's there. It's lifted. That was a workout. This is a lot of makeup. I didn't realize how much makeup I had until I took everything out. Let the fun begin. Organizing. So this is it for now. It's getting there. It's getting there. I'm having like really hard decision makings of how I'm going to organize this because I feel I lost counter space. So I can't have my foundations like in front of me. So I'm putting them like this. I'm thinking of this for now. And then organizing this. I have like lipsticks and little pouches of like eyebrow stuff. And then I have, I don't know. It's so tough. I feel like I lost space now, thinking I would have more space. Oh, I hate vanity organizing now. I thought it was gonna be fun, but it's stressful. And then at the bottom, I put all my palettes there for now. They fit pretty good. And there goes my chair. I still have to figure out this light since it's, I'm not too sure. I mean, I am happy with the vanity, but I wish it was a little bit different. I didn't think this mirror would be so in front. I'm so used to it being in the back, so I can put the light here. And it's big too. Maybe I should just bought a basic drawer with everything. But I have to get used to it. So far so good. I cleaned up a lot of stuff. I threw away a lot of things. I'm gonna have to wash all my brushes now. And I'm gonna see how the layout is for now and then figure it out. I have to figure out jewelry. Jewelry has been the toughest thing to organize for me. And I bought these drawers at the Container Store. So I have to fix this, and this is another junk drawer of lights and stuff. That I'll have to figure out, but that's the vanity. So far, I think it came out decent. I'm gonna get used to it. I still have a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of stuff to organize. We finally watched the struggle of me building this darn vanity, and it was hell, because my hands hurted so much. So the reason why I got a new vanity, which I didn't mention, was the old one was already falling apart.
I'm gonna be dead. D-E-D. Dead.
D, dead.
Alright guys, so I wanted to give you a breakdown of what I think overall of the vanity after 1 month use of this. I have makeup here. Overall, I do like it. There's some slight problems that I wish I should have read about more. The first thing that I do like about it is that it's perfect size. If you have a small bedroom or a small area, this will fit so perfectly well anywhere. The size is just perfect. Another thing that I do like is that there's a storage part at the bottom where you can stack up a basket, hide there, put your palettes, just something really chunky. It's really nice for that too. That's about it. That's all I like about it. Overall, it's nice, you know. I do miss my other vanity. If only that vanity didn't break down so much. The drawers were falling apart already from that vanity from the bottom. So that's why I didn't keep my past vanity, because the drawers from the bottom, they were falling off already from many moves and disassembling it too. So the things that I don't like about this vanity is that the mirror. This mirror is so forward. It's so to the front that there's wasted space, about maybe 4 to 5 inches of wasted space in the back, which you can hide things behind here, but I kind of wish it was more back, you know what I mean. It's just my preference. And also I thought the drawers would be a little bit more deeper, and they are not that deep. So there's 2 really not too deep drawers, and then there's 2 drawers that are pretty deep. They're really nice. They're deep. They fit things, but the 2 top ones are so they're just 2 inches, so you can fit pencils and stuff like that. And I thought I would fit more things in this vanity, but I actually fit less. I have too much makeup. I think my past vanity fit more things, but this one's not too bad if you don't have that much makeup, but I have a lot of makeup, so that's a little bit of a downfall for this. So this is a perfect vanity for starters. Assembling it, as you saw, took 2 to 3 hours, and it was pure hell because my hands were just broken. They were just broken. But overall, I think this is pretty decent. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and learned a lot. And be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will catch you guys next time. And let me know if you have any questions below.